Hey guys, this will probably be like a chatty haul. These are things that I've accumulated during the last October, November, December. So 3 months of shopping, not big shopping, but like lots of sales. And yeah, I just wanted to show you. Before I start with the haul, I wanted to show you a couple things. So I received a surprise package in the mail. I mentioned in one of my vlogs that I was decluttering my makeup, and I usually send it to one particular subscriber who has become a friend. I usually send her my declutterers to see if her or her daughters could make use out of it. I hadn't heard back from her and she took a break from social media, but I received like the sweetest package from her. So she sent me this Christmas card. Love it. I love mint green. I won't show you her message, but the inside greeting is nice. She wrote me such a nice, thoughtful message. She did receive the package of makeup, and that's what I was really worried about, if she had gotten it or not. And then she sent me a couple of items. So she started her own business, which is so awesome. I've seen these. I've never had these. I think my mom had these growing up because my mom had a couple of hanging plants, and I think you hang this from the bottom of the plant. I'm not sure. And then this keychain is so cool. I didn't put it on my keys yet because I wanted to show you guys in this haul. And this is her little sticker. It's Knotty Creations, K-N-O-T-T-Y Creations, which is so cute. It's macrame accessories plants. I'm not sure if she sells online yet, but I'll put her email in my description box if you guys wanted to contact her to see if you wanted to order anything. So this one's really cool. It's going on my keys. There's a rose gold keychain and then the little hook thing. This is so cool. Like, I teared up when I read her card. I feel like I've been so down like about YouTube within the last like couple years, even like the year prior to the pandemic. And when like I get cards like this, it just makes me feel like there's a reason I'm doing this, you know? So anyways, thank you so much, Alma. This was so unexpected. I love it. I wish you like the best of luck on your new small business. And I wanted to show you guys this. This is like a very Christmassy green plastic cup I saw at the 99-cent store. This was marked $2.49 and it was in the Christmas section. I bought 3. These are a knockoff of the Starbucks cups. And then this company called Duvolle sent me the Sonic Facial Brush. I believe it retails for $95. I'm gonna do a separate video like trying it out. This isn't sponsored. I do have a coupon code though, so if you wanna save 70% off, my coupon code is ALEXSAVE. And I think I get a commission on that. Didn't really check yet, but I'll link it down below. So if you use my code, you can get this for $28.50 as opposed to $95. And they had me pick on their site what I wanted to try. So I chose this one on their site because it reminds me of the Foreo Luna, but I like the shape of this one better. I feel like this can get around your face more. There's kind of like this handle as opposed to the other one where it's just like you're grabbing like a circle. So I'm excited to try this. I think this only came in one color. Oh, and there's a light. I'm going to try this out in a skincare video. And there's different speeds too. Thank you, Duvolle, for sending that to me. I will do a skincare video on that soon. Let's do Ross first because I wanted to show you this dress I'm wearing. You know how Ross, like when something's marked down, there's just like one. I saw this dress and I just fell in love with it. The sleeves are sheer. Only thing is, this is a junior's extra large and I'm a junior's medium or large. I belted it, but I think I need to do an alteration right here because it keeps popping open. See, that's the print. It's very flowy. It's a maxi. I have to wear like very high boots for these, like chunky boots or something. So this was $20.99 and there was only one. And I bought another dress. It's a mauve slip dress, but the slip dresses I've been finding are very thin, but this one is a thicker material. It's cowl. It's below the knee. It has like a slit in the front, which makes it sexier, and it has just adjustable straps. I just love this, and it was $12.99. And then I saw this. This is an Aldo snake bracelet. Retails for $15. Aldo's prices aren't bad. And then it was $9.99. I love this. And then the eyes are green, like an emerald green. So yeah, this is like a cool bracelet. I've always wanted one of these bracelets. So I got a peppermint mocha a couple months back, and then the guy is like, hold on a second. And then he gave me this, and he's like, today you get a free reusable cup if you purchase a holiday drink. It's funny because they used to be $1 like back in the day. I haven't purchased them in a while, so they're $3 now. I used to send these to my friend in Germany. She loves these. Blue cupcake fish. These are cool for coffee to go. It's just red inside. So let's do the items I got the day after Christmas. So me and Dominique went shopping the day after Christmas for the sales, and I found one thing at Old Navy, which I have not shopped at Old Navy in a while. I was just perusing the clearance section while Dominique was getting like those bouncy balls. They have like these big ones for I think $1.25. So she got a couple of them, and the machine stopped working. And I also got her some bouncy balls in her stocking. So I found a pair of jeans, and I'm like super surprised at the fit. Like I haven't bought Old Navy jeans since like the Rockstar jeans I bought like a long time ago. They're called Kicker Bootcut Mid-Rise, and they're in an 8 short. The wash is really nice. They fit nicely at the waist, and these were originally $34.99, and then they're on clearance for $9.47. I found a button that says Squad Girls, the Golden Girls, and this was before Betty White had passed away. We went shopping on the 26th, and she passed away, I believe on New Year's Eve or New Year's Day. Passed away at 99. I love the Golden Girls since it was on regular TV. These were $1.99 at Spencer. And then I found something from Lucky Brand for my boyfriend. So I got him a hoodie and sweatpants. This was such a great deal. The hoodie retails for $98. Pants retail for $79.50, which is crazy. But they had a sign on these sets for $19.99 per piece. So $40 for the set. I think he'll like this. It's comfortable to lounge around in. While I was Christmas shopping online, I got Dominique a watch, a Jones New York watch, and she just wanted like a basic big face watch, so I got her a black one. It has like rose gold trim. I found this one for myself. I was like, should I get this? But it's such a good deal. This was like a Black Friday deal. This one retailed for $75, and I got it for $19.99. And this is by Adrian Vittadini. It says this is a genuine diamond. Love this. It's gold, and it has the studding. And I have a Michael Kors bracelet, which would go perfectly with this. So I got myself that like when I was Christmas shopping. And I also got a new pair of Vans. I just got another basic black and white slip-on. Just want slip-on shoes so I can run errands in. I ordered these from Kohl's, and these were on sale, plus I could use the 15 or 20% off. These are a size 8. They're called the Asher Platform, and they retail for $54.99, and then I think I got them for like 30 something. And then from Ulta, I just got one thing. It just looks so different than any other of Urban Decay's releases. This is the Urban Decay Cyber Palette. I waited until Ulta sent out like a 20% off. This retailed for $49, and I got it for 20% off. Oh, I love this. So pretty. I can't wait to use this. I'm pretty sure I can get like 3 looks out of these. Let's do a couple of Dollar Tree items. So I found a couple things. This is a Power Facial Cleansing Brush. And then I got this sparkly hair clip. Sometimes I see like really cute hair clips at Dollar Tree. This is not where I would put it, but yeah. So I will still be shopping there, just not doing like separate hauls for Dollar Tree. This was $1.99. It's the BH Studio Pro Brush 5 Pointed Crease Brush. And I always wash my brushes before I use them. So this reminds me of the MAC brush I have. I forgot the name of it. I think this is perfect for the crease. This is the Mint Melt brush set. I saw this when the collection came out, but I didn't order. I didn't want to just order on e.l.f. just because of that. And I didn't see this in stores. But Marshall's is selling it now for $4.99. I love this because of the color. I don't know how the brushes will perform. This is actually dead on like my favorite color, like this shade of mint green. So I went to Burlington, I found Dominique really cool sheets. They were like kind of cosmic moon and stars in black and white, and they were $19.99. And I saw this and I was like, eh. It was in the clearance section. It was $8.99 down to $5.99. This is one of those tops where it's like on the hanger, but then when you try it on, you're like, oh, that's really cute. I think this would look cute with jeans or a denim skirt. Then I got one thing from H&M. I was just looking for another black romper, like an everyday kind of romper, and I found one. It's terry cloth, Very Three's Company, and this is in a medium. It's from their Divided Collection section, and it's elastic at the waist. This was regularly $17.99. It was marked down to $7.99. So let's do Bath and Body Works. So the only thing I got during the sale is this Fine Fragrance Mist. This is Marshmallow Pumpkin Latte. It's definitely like fruity, but it has like something else in it, like something spicy. These retail for $15.50. I would not pay that for this, and these were 70% off, so I think I paid like $4 something for this. So this is gonna go in Dominique's bathroom, and the rest of it was when they had like the $5.50 deal. So I got 2 Twisted Peppermint shower gels for $5.50 each. I love this stuff, especially during the summer. It's so cooling. The shower gels retail for $13.50. And then I got 2 Twisted Peppermint body lotions. These retail for $13.50 also. I love like peppermint stuff in general. And then I got 2 Twisted Peppermint body creams. These are actually thicker. These are more moisturizing. They retail for $15.50. Let's end this with Sephora. So this was the only thing I got during the VIB sale, which was in November. This is the Huda Beauty Rose Quartz eyeshadow palette. I was debating whether or not to get this because it looked very similar to the Mercury Retrograde palette, but watching like reviews, it's different. So pretty. There's like a weird one right here, that like pebble looking one called Love Stone. I don't know how that is gonna look on the skin. I don't think I would have purchased this full price at $67, but with the 15% off, I was like, all right. And this is made in Italy, if you're curious. The little ones she has are made in China. So right now I try to only buy makeup that I know I'm gonna use or like I really, really want. I got that like on the last day of the VIB sale when I decided I wanted it. And then I used 100 points to get this JLo Beauty, that JLo Glow serum. I saw like mixed reviews on it. I just wanted to try her serum to see if I liked it. Also, I used my points to get this face mask. I love polka dots. So it's polyester, and yeah, it's super cute. So one of my best friends, Scott, sent me a gift card to Sephora. So I used it when they had their additional 20% off sale to get these items. This is the Artist Couture Love Sprung Face Palette. So pretty. So these two look like blushes, and then that one could be a blush or a bronzer. I can't wait to try this. And this is made in the USA. This was like around 20 something, and then an additional 20% off. And then all the Sephora brushes in this line were on sale for like $6 or $7. This is the Sephora Makeup Match liner brush, and I need a new eyebrow brush, so this kind of looks like my current one. My current one is so busted. It's very short, but it feels very dense, so I hope this works. It says this is a liner brush, but I'm gonna use it for my brows. So $6 plus an additional 20% off. And I was kind of eyeing the Patrick Starr holiday collection, and this one was on a super great deal. This retailed for $34, and then it was marked down more, so I think at the end it was like $19. And this one comes with the eyeshadow quad and his eyeliner. I did try his eyeliner and I thought it was okay. I remember it drying out. So he had 2 shades. I swear the other shade that he had reminded me of his MAC collaboration years ago. So I wanted to get this one. This is in Copper Cider, and it's gorgeous. This is made in the USA. The shades have cute names: Make It Rain, Missile Glow, Rusty Boots, and Figgy Pudding. These are like... Hello? Hey. Are you gonna head back after that? Okay, love you. Bye. These shades are kind of what I wear on the daily. And I was very curious when I saw that he had makeup wipes. In store, I purchased 3 of them. One of them is in my bathroom. These are fucking amazing. So there's 21 in here, and you guys see how much eye makeup I wear, and the wipe is big. It's like this big, and it just takes off everything. Just like a swipe and it's all gone. The Neutrogena ones are good, but they're oily and they stink. These have a scent, but they're not oily. I got 3 of them initially and I was like, let me order some more before they sell out at the additional 20% off. So I got 2 more. I'm gonna put these in the fridge because I noticed that wipes tend to dry out, but I have 4, so these should last me the next 6 months, I believe. So I'm sticking those in the fridge. And that will do it for my haul. So thank you guys for hanging out with me, and I will see you in my next video.